Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a very quick hack, and it's perfect when you want to do like a Halloween costume and we're looking for our lips to look thinner. This is the perfect hack for you. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying some concealer right in my lips, and I'm using this one by Essence, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it, and also I'm going to blend it with my wet sponge. It's faster to blend it like this. And yeah, so I'm just pretty much just dabbing, and yeah. Okay, so now that I'm done blending, I'm going to set everything super well with this translucent powder, and it does the job perfect. And yeah.
So we can get high, because me gone, I feel alive. Anywhere, anyway, I will love you. We rule the world, just you and I. Just let me down, we walk the line. But now nothing's gone wrong, I'll take a shot for you. Give me your love, give me clouds, never let you go.
So now for the next step is to go ahead and outline your lips, but you're not gonna follow the same shape of your lips because we do want it to look thinner, of course. So I'm just going to create like a fake lip, and since my bottom lip is bigger than the top lip, I'm going to apply the technique in the bottom lip, and you can do it vice versa. It depends on the thickness of your own lips. So yeah, and you guys can see the difference right away, and you can tell from like that it's a lot more thinner than it was before. So yeah. So now I'm just correcting the mistakes I made, or cleaning the edges with this puff and with some translucent powder, and that is pretty much the final result. I love how it comes out because my lips do look a lot thinner, and there you guys see the before and after picture, and from far away you cannot even tell the difference. So that's what I really like about this technique. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video and have an awesome day. Bye bye.